On November 17th, in partnership with VisitLindale.com and CRC Industrial, I'd like to invite you guys out to an incredible event here at the Old Mill Pond in Lindale, Texas. The museum showcases the Industrial Revolution with an astonishing array of historical memorabilia. A perfect backdrop to celebrate old skills brought back to life. 12 acres of history packed with PhDs and masters of their craft assembled for you. Seriously, be prepared to see more than you expect. Pond maintenance, looming, pottery, tree grafting, blacksmithing, welding, solar, natural soaps and candle making, animal husbandry, off-grid living, homesteading, tiny house construction and lifestyle, metal casting, tool restoration, firewood processing, hit and miss motor demonstrations, and machining, and so much more. Join us on Saturday at the Old Mill Pond for the Good Land Fest, but then stay on Sunday because Lindale's a pretty awesome town.
Diamonds so pearls, and I don't know to take you traveling the world, but I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.